Ever wonder how to make those perfect, fluffy silver dollar pancakes with crispy brown edges? Stick around and I'll show you how to make them so good you'll want to eat them by the dozen. The first bite is taken by the eyes, cause that's where the magic lies. Today we're diving into a classic breakfast favourite, silver dollar pancakes. They're tiny, they're fluffy, and they're the perfect size to stack up high. And the best part, they're easy. They're super easy, even on a lazy weekend morning, just like your mum. Let's start with the batter. In a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients. Flour, sugar, baking powder and a pinch of salt. Now, here's the trick. Don't overmix. Add your milk, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and a splash of vanilla extract. In the unlikely circumstances you have leftovers, no problem. Let them cool completely, then flash freeze them on a baking sheet before transferring to a freezer bag, otherwise they stick together. They'll keep for up to 6 weeks. When you're ready to enjoy them again, reheat it in the microwave for 30 to 60 seconds, or throw them back in a hot frying pan with a bit of butter to bring back that crispiness. Mix until it's just combined. Lads, don't spend all day beating it, okay? Some say lumps are okay. Personally, I prefer to push the mix through a sieve. Over mixing leads to tough pancakes. We want wallpaper paste viscosity levels here. Now, heat up your frying pan over medium to low heat. Add a good 1 to 2 tablespoons of butter to the pan. Crispy edges are a must, and butter is your best friend here. Use a mini ice cream scoop or just a tablespoon to drop about 1 tablespoon of batter onto the frying pan or skillet. Quick tips to perfect your pancakes. Make sure that your batter is thick but still pourable. If it's too thick, add a little more milk, just a tablespoon, maybe a teaspoon. And remember, don't flip them too early. Wait for the bubbles to appear on the surface. A thin spatula works best for flipping. Leave about an inch of space between each one. Watch closely. When you see bubbles forming on the surface and the edges starting to brown, it's time to flip. Cook until the other side is golden brown, and don't forget to add more butter to keep those edges crispy. Butter was never the enemy. Sugar has always been the problem. Don't be fooled by the fake food pyramid. Here's a little secret. If you're making a big batch, keep them warm in the oven at about 200 Fahrenheit or 90 Celsius. That way, they're all hot and ready when you're done cooking. Serve these beauties hot off the griddle or frying pan. Top them off with whatever you like. Classic maple syrup, gallons of the stuff, fresh fruit, or a dollop of whipped cream. And if you're feeling extra indulgent, why not all 3? What's your favourite pancake topping? Let me know in the comments below. I'm always looking for new ideas. And if you have a trick for getting them even better, I'd like to hear that too. If this video made you hungry, smash that like button, subscribe for more delicious recipes, and don't forget to share it with your fellow pancake lovers. There's nothing like starting the day with a stack of these beauties. Craving more breakfast ideas? Check out my video on the perfect scrambled eggs, or maybe some fluffy French toast. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
No.
Shall we set you up where you can actually eat it? You're talking out to the camera? Do you want to be on the camera?
No.
Alright, fine.
Shy. No. Yummy. The edges are lovely and crispy, and by the way,
Yep.
I don't know what happened, but they soaked up all the acorn syrup.
Yeah, they soak up the maple syrup. They
Now,
soak it up, yeah.
before you stop me.
No, it looks like it disappeared, doesn't it? Yeah. Does it need more vanilla or is it enough?
No, it's perfect.
Oh, come. Alright, I'm just gonna lash the rest on here, okay?
This is my portion.
Yeah.
All 5 of them?
Unless you want more.
No, 5 is very generous.
Yeah, what you've got there is kind of like an American cafe portion. Actually, they would be sold with, I remember these little paper cups, they're about 1 inch wide.
Yeah.
And there'd be like a sugary kind of creamy mixture inside. I'm not sure what they were. I'm not even sure what it was.
I've never had them in America, so I don't know.
It was sweet, and it was like a. You know what it was? It was a whipped butter with sugar. That's what it was.
Wow.
Anyway, listen. You've never had silver dollar. I have now checked that experiential box, and I'm happy to say that.
Gorgeous.
My gorgeous wife.
Ah.
Eating gorgeous. Silver dollars. There you go, baby, huh? Still recording, by the way. Audio's still recording as well.
Delicious.
Get some
The edges, as they are browned, delicious.